Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto on Robinhood. First, you need to open a Robinhood account and complete the necessary verification steps. This process typically involves providing personal information and linking a bank account. Once your account is set up, ensure it's approved for cryptocurrency trading, as this might require additional steps. Familiarize yourself with the specific cryptocurrencies Robinhood offers, as not all digital assets are available. To purchase crypto, you'll need funds in your Robinhood account. Start by linking your bank account securely within the app. Then, initiate a deposit for the amount you wish to invest. While some funds might be available instantly for trading, larger deposits typically take a few business days to fully settle. Plan accordingly to avoid delays when you're ready to make your first crypto purchase. Once your account is funded, navigate to the cryptocurrency section within the Robinhood app. You'll see a list of available digital assets. Select the specific cryptocurrency you want to buy, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Enter the dollar amount you wish to invest or the number of coins you want to acquire. Review your order details carefully, then confirm your purchase to complete the transaction. After buying, your crypto will appear in your Robinhood portfolio. It's wise to monitor its performance regularly, as crypto markets can be quite volatile. You can also set up price alerts within the app to notify you of significant changes. Remember, investing involves risk, so only invest what you are comfortable losing. For more insights into managing your finances and wealth, check the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.